I would like to start to see channels of that see with the culture of different countries in the world, his sculpture, her idiom, and his architecture. The different places in that I can do subjects about the accumulation of books, of goods and possessions that is exposed in different anarchies or sites of social recreation and made for the desirable personal of the people and good common of the shared alimentation of different cultures and in a table of observe the planification and the first side in an only review of, of different products aliment, alimenticious that collaborate in the result of a good exposition of a good of a good of a good exposition of manifestate his happiness. A place simple and converts in a place with high expectative about that is a cult. The culture have a place very in the territory of the culture zone that are the territory with culture model. An actual culture promotes the of different lands on the language. This moves to the importance that have a change of sound and how influence in the defense of the territory tradition and a territory created for people with lives refined for the general the traditional territory a culture and move science a part of crescent of traditional tone can find vocabulary like that can find in book contemporary that relate about histories modern that have extensive story about subtitles, or a twin stance that validate for some academies of tone. Can other countries that with other countries call Assembly International or intent with the international laws and apply the education and a great change that see reflected in the character of the habitants. Also see the atmosphere with a different color, modern style, vintage with vintage with the giver don't 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 have lost with mediant the reserve of the conference year we in ability these things also making activities special that are common with service with the community and is notable have lost with mediant the reserve of the conference year we inhabilitate these things also making activities special that are common destined with service with the community and is not about his performance but about all is important have clear principles, objectives and persevere to the final. Also see other opportunities of laborers offered that is included in the newspaper, the subtitles that have find people in the some laboratory friends.